Hello everybody, my name is Austin. Welcome back to another video. Stop it! Stop it, I can see you, dummy! Excuse me. So today we're going to be doing the second part of catching the cats. Did you see that? I was like, okay guys, so you're going to be set up like this. We're going to try not to knock you guys over. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, guys. We'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, remember the mission. We already have one of the dangerous. We already have one of the dangerous.
It's Mastermind Controller. I'm doing the video too.
So guys, we're going to pretend that you guys aren't here. Like this camera isn't here, okay guys? Okay. Hey guys. So we already caught one of the dangerous species, Hawkeye. We need to find the other one, bandits.
Yeah, we do. If a bandit dies or kills other people.
It is very dangerous, guys. So we must take care of it. If you know what I mean. Okay, guys. I got my weapon.
Bumbles is sitting on the grenade.
No, my mom with the grenade. Okay, come on, guys. We gotta go. Let's go.
Let's go. I got a grenade, got a gun, I'm all ready.
Fall out. Where's the bow now? Forget about the bow now.
Yeah, Barbie.
Come on, guys. I found the other walkie-talkie. Guys, I hope you guys don't get mad or sad that for a while we will not be here because we're looking for the cats. Okay, guys? Just wanted to let you guys know. Look for the cat. Look for the cat. I can hear you good. Okay. So we're gonna do squadrons. We have the two. We're gonna do squadrons. You're with me. If you spot the cat, phone us up, okay? You hit that. You see that call button? If you see the cat, hit the call button. Only once. Don't touch the special spray. It's our last chance. It's if we feel this. Where's the cat?
I haven't found it.
Bandit, you phoned me.
Yep, someone phoned me.
There's only two. Guys, there's only two talking. Change your channel to 2.
Come on, one.
Change it to 2. Go. Let's go. Well, you go upstairs, okay?
Right. How about you guys? All right.
No, I'm going to teach you how to do this. You hold this to talk instead of the phone. The phone is just so you know my thing and then the back. And you have to hold on to it. Just go check the room. I think you can check it. He's not in the living room. Regroup at the basement. I repeat, regroup at the basement.
Is he behind the couch?
Shut up! We're right here. Don't check that side. Don't check that side. The camera's here. I'm checking the basement. I'm checking the or not the basement. I'm gonna check behind the couch. I got on flashlight. He is not.
You guys questioning me? Of course I can be with Austin Hurlbut. We're fusing YouTube channels.
Dude, what's
And if
this
you
room?
guys don't like that, then you can shut your face.
Don't. That's a special place. Dude, the camera's not there, man. Darn it. Sorry about that, guys. He forgot that we're not supposed to pay attention to you guys.
Resume again.
Okay, we're going in.
We're going upstairs.
Can't lose him. You cannot lose him. He's our number one priority. Don't you ever feel like you're being watched? I feel like there's someone right here watching me. And I'm talking to them. I just feel like someone's watching me.
Me too.
He's not upstairs?
That's cool. Can I try? I'll try.
Yeah, let him.
I'll try.
Switch the walkie-talkies. We might have let him in here. When we open the door.
I can speak. I'm going
Go ahead. See. He's not here. Phone us up if you see it. Got it. He's not anywhere to be seen so far. Not anywhere to be seen so far. Coming up. regroup in the living room. Alright, big regroup in the living room. Okay. Hey, Kim, I was talking with Holland down here earlier before you got switched off. Don't you ever feel like right here there's someone watching you?
Yeah, we do.
Dude, it's so weird. It feels like someone's watching me and listening to me talk to them. Right now, I feel like I'm looking at them. Dude, this is weird. Okay, so, how's this?
Are you watching us?
The camera's on. Guys. Use this. Okay. I don't see him anywhere.
You guys go upstairs.
We're going back into the basement.
Dude. I don't shut up. I grow up and everything. You want to throw up. No, I'm bigger.
Guys, come on.
Oh, yeah.
Get the cat in the box.
taller.
Get the cat in the box.
Quinn, I'm the one who's helping.
I got the cat in the box. Okay, you
Let's
two
get-
carry the box. You two carry the box. Carry the box. Give me the talkie. Give me the talkie. Give me the talkie. Carry the box. Holly!
Sorry. I repeat, we failed the mission.
Holland, you failed the mission. You failed us.
I'm sorry.
You failed us.
Okay,
Get your
Holland.
get